Nutella, the irresistible hazelnut spread, is a favorite indulgence for many. But what happens if you eat it every day for 30 days? This guide explores 50 surprising effects, from energy boosts and mood lifts to potential health risks. Discover the full impact of this sweet treat on your body and make informed choices about your diet. Let's dive into the Nutella adventure. Positive effects. Energy boost. Nutella's high sugar and fat content provide a rapid energy source. The simple sugars are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, giving an immediate but short-lived energy spike, which can be useful for a quick boost in energy levels, especially during physical activities or periods of fatigue. Mood improvement. Sugar consumption stimulates the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and happiness. This can lead to temporary feelings of pleasure and well-being, which is why sugary foods like Nutella can sometimes improve mood. Iron intake. Nutella contains small amounts of iron, an essential mineral for the production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is crucial for transporting oxygen in the blood, which is vital for energy production and overall metabolic function. Calcium source. Each serving of Nutella provides a small amount of calcium, necessary for maintaining bone density and strength. Calcium is also essential for muscle function, nerve transmission, and vascular contraction and dilation. Hazelnut benefits. Hazelnuts are a key ingredient in Nutella and are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help improve blood cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also contain vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and B vitamins. Skin hydration. The healthy fats in hazelnuts can help maintain skin hydration and elasticity, potentially leading to healthier-looking skin. These fats support the lipid barrier of the skin, which retains moisture and protects against environmental damage. Vitamin E. Nutella contains vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from oxidative damage. Vitamin E supports immune function and skin health and has anti-inflammatory properties. Magnesium. This mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production, muscle and nerve function, and the regulation of blood pressure. Dietary fiber. The fiber in hazelnuts can aid digestion by adding bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements, and helping prevent constipation. Fiber also supports a healthy gut microbiome. Zinc content. Zinc is crucial for immune function, protein synthesis, DNA synthesis, and cell division. It also plays a role in wound healing and maintaining a proper sense of taste and smell. Neutral effects. Caloric intake. Nutella is calorie-dense, providing a significant number of calories per serving. While this can be neutral, it depends on the overall balance of your diet and your caloric needs. Diet variation. Including Nutella adds variety to your diet, which can be beneficial in preventing dietary monotony and ensuring a more enjoyable eating experience. Sugar consumption. Nutella's high sugar content significantly increases daily sugar intake. While not inherently bad, it needs to be balanced with other nutrient sources to avoid potential negative effects. Carbohydrate intake. The carbohydrates in Nutella provide a quick source of energy. Carbohydrates are essential for bodily functions, but excessive intake without proper balance can lead to health issues. Protein. Although Nutella contains a small amount of protein, it can contribute to the daily protein requirement necessary for muscle repair, immune function, and the production of enzymes and hormones. Flavor enjoyment. Many people enjoy the taste of Nutella, which can enhance the eating experience and satisfaction derived from food, promoting a positive relationship with eating. Satiety. Nutella can temporarily satisfy hunger due to its fat content, but the high sugar content may lead to quicker hunger pangs once blood sugar levels drop. Blood sugar fluctuation. Consuming Nutella causes a rapid increase in blood sugar levels due to its high sugar content, followed by a potential crash as insulin works to lower blood sugar, leading to potential fluctuations in energy and mood. Energy density. Nutella is energy dense, meaning it provides a lot of energy in a small amount. This can be beneficial for people needing a high calorie intake in a compact form, such as athletes or those with high metabolic demands. Nutrient variety. While Nutella provides some vitamins and minerals, it should not replace more nutrient-dense foods. Including it as part of a balanced diet can add some nutritional variety. Negative effects. Weight gain. Due to its high caloric and fat content, consuming Nutella regularly without adjusting for these extra calories can lead to weight gain. Excess weight is associated with numerous health risks, including heart disease, diabetes, and joint issues. Increased fat intake. Nutella is high in fats, particularly saturated fats, which can contribute to increased LDL cholesterol levels, leading to a higher risk of heart disease if consumed in excess. High sugar levels. The high sugar content in Nutella can lead to various health issues, such as an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and obesity. Excessive sugar intake is also linked to increased inflammation and fatty liver disease. Dental problems. Sugar is a leading cause of tooth decay and cavities. The bacteria in the mouth feed on sugar, producing acids that erode tooth enamel and lead to cavities and gum disease. Blood sugar issues. Regular consumption of high sugar foods can lead to insulin resistance, where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, increasing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Cholesterol. The saturated fats in Nutella can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels, contributing to the buildup of plaques in arteries and increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Digestive issues. High sugar intake can cause digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and changes in bowel habits. Some people may experience gastrointestinal distress due to the rapid digestion of simple sugars. Skin problems. Excessive sugar intake can exacerbate skin issues like acne. High blood sugar levels can increase the production of insulin, which in turn can boost sebum production and inflammatory processes in the skin. Inflammation. Diets high in sugar and saturated fats can promote chronic inflammation, which is linked to numerous health problems, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Nutrient imbalance. Regularly consuming Nutella might displace more nutrient-dense foods in your diet, leading to potential deficiencies in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Long-term health risks. Heart disease risk. Prolonged consumption of high sugar and high-fat foods like Nutella can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases due to elevated cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and increased inflammation. Type 2 diabetes. Regularly consuming foods high in sugar can lead to insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. Managing blood sugar levels becomes increasingly difficult with a diet high in simple sugars. Obesity. The high-calorie content in Nutella, when consumed excessively, can contribute to obesity, which is a major risk factor for various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Liver fat accumulation. Excessive intake of fructose, a component of sugar, can lead to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, characterized by the accumulation of fat in liver cells, potentially leading to liver inflammation and damage. Addiction. The combination of sugar and fats in Nutella can be highly palatable, leading to cravings and potential overconsumption, creating a cycle of dependency similar to addictive behaviors. Metabolic syndrome. A diet high in sugar and fat can contribute to metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions including high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess abdominal fat, and abnormal cholesterol levels, significantly increasing the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Hypertension. High sugar intake is associated with increased blood pressure. Over time, this can lead to hypertension, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Nutrient deficiency. Over-reliance on Nutella may lead to deficiencies in essential nutrients if it replaces more balanced and nutrient-rich food options. This can affect overall health and well-being. Bone density issues. High sugar intake can interfere with calcium absorption and may contribute to bone density loss over time, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Mental health. Diets high in sugar can lead to fluctuations in mood and energy levels, potentially contributing to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Behavioral and psychological effects. Cravings. The high sugar content in Nutella can lead to increased cravings for sweet foods, reinforcing a cycle of sugar consumption and making it harder to maintain a balanced diet. Eating habits. Regularly consuming Nutella can lead to the development of unhealthy eating habits, such as reaching for sugary foods for quick energy or comfort, which can impact overall dietary quality. Diet dependency. Relying on Nutella for quick energy can create dependency, making it difficult to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients from different food sources. Mood swings. The rapid rise and fall of blood sugar levels associated with Nutella consumption can lead to mood swings, irritability, and feelings of fatigue once the initial sugar rush wears off. Sleep disturbance. High sugar intake, especially close to bedtime, can interfere with sleep quality and patterns, potentially leading to insomnia or restless sleep. Concentration. While sugar can provide a temporary boost in concentration and alertness, the subsequent drop in blood sugar can impair cognitive function, making it harder to focus and maintain productivity. Physical activity. The quick energy provided by Nutella can temporarily boost physical activity levels, but the subsequent energy crash can lead to reduced stamina and motivation for sustained physical activity. Food choices. Regular consumption of Nutella can influence overall food choices, leading to a preference for high-sugar and high-fat foods over more nutritious options. Satisfaction. The immediate satisfaction from consuming Nutella can lead to overeating, particularly if used to satisfy emotional hunger or as a reward, which can disrupt healthy eating patterns. Self-control. The palatability of Nutella can challenge portion control, making it easy to overconsume and difficult to stick to dietary goals or maintain a balanced diet. In summary, while Nutella can provide some positive effects, such as a quick energy boost and certain nutrients, its high sugar and fat content can lead to numerous negative health effects if consumed daily for 30 days. Moderation and balance are key to enjoying Nutella as part of a healthy diet.